Hi everyone, I'm Claire with True Leaf Market.
Hey, I'm Jordan. I think you know me.
Today you're gonna come along on a favorite recipe of mine. I'm a nutritionist in training, so I have convinced Jordan to let me share some of my favorite recipes.
It wasn't hard.
Today we're gonna be incorporating some of the ingredients that you can find on our website. We've got the acorn squash here. In the original recipe, I did include garbanzo beans because that's something that we sell. They're amazing if you sprout them. However, I decided to use some white beans because that's one of my favorite things about cooking is that you can get super creative. So we've got white beans, we have some quinoa, which we sell as well, parsley, and then I always love adding in some toasted seeds and nuts into the mix.
Yeah, we got some microgreens too.
Exactly.
Got some Swiss chard right here, and we got some mustard, which will top it off, I guess, right?
Yeah. So first I'm just gonna mix some of the bulkier items together, the quinoa and the beans. Distributed, looks amazing. I mean, honestly, just these two alone together would be a pretty satisfying lunch. So that is nice and thoroughly mixed.
Excellent.
And Jordan,
Is it this next?
Yes, this is next. Would you like to sprinkle in some green onions and parsley?
I would love to.
Give it a go. Perfect.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that.
All right.
Yeah, another thing I love about this dish is just how colorful it is. Can I get your assistance
Yes.
one more time? So we've got some walnuts.
Some almonds.
Almonds, some
Are those
sunflower seeds, yep.
Some
and
raisins.
then and some pumpkin seeds.
Awesome.
Marvelous,
Look at that.
marvelous. Perfect. Yeah, that looks so good. And yeah, again, you can get so creative with what ingredients you're putting into this. You could make it a meat lover's recipe even. You know, you could add in some ground beef or some ground turkey even. You could make it like a 3-bean salad.
Oh, I love that.
You can make it grain-free if you're, trying to avoid grain. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt.
Okay. Do you want me to slice this?
Please. So I'm actually going to mix in the lemon with our mixture right now, and then to our own taste, we can, squeeze in a little extra.
Excellent.
So I've got that lemon. So
Time.
now it's the stuffing time. So we've got our nice incorporated filling. So I roasted them for about 30 to 40 minutes at 350. There we go. Just be careful not to spill it all over your assistant's hands.
It's all good. Get mine a little more heaping.
Good.
There we go. Some microgreens?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm at least gonna do some mustard on mine. I just love mustard. Bam. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Yes.
Look at that. A little bit of purple coming through on there.
Yum.
Yeah, no.
And like even for with Thanksgiving coming up, I feel like this is a very Thanksgiving appropriate, very fall appropriate in general dish. Another reason I love acorn squash is because it's so versatile. So obviously this is a savory dish, but you could have a breakfast acorn squash where you roast in the oven with a bit of cinnamon, a bit of honey, and then when it's still warm, you put in a little bit of Greek yogurt, coconut yogurt, any kind of yogurt, and then top that with some granola. Super good. All right, well, thanks for joining us today. We had a really fun time cooking and eating, of course. So if you'd like to see more, then follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
The tubes.
The tubes.